Today we are going to discuss how to add a node at front of doubly linked list. First you have to find head pointer pointing which node. Before that node, create a new node and add data into it. Here head pointer is pointing node A. So before A, create node E. Make connection between E and A by saying E's next is A and A's previous is E. Head pointer is pointing node A. You have to make head pointer to point node E. After doing that, now head pointer is pointing node E, for example. Okay, so that E is considered as head node. Always remember a point, head pointer's previous should point always null. This is the main point. Okay, head pointers previous should point null value. So this is the concept. You have created a node at the front. Okay, so now we shall see the code. You are going to add node at the front, so pass head pointer and data as parameter. Create a node using malloc function as usual and add data into it by saying new nodes data equal to new data. Before A, you are creating node E, right? So look at the line, new nodes next is equal to head pointer. New nodes next is equal to head pointer. Okay, so now see the diagram closely and say me. Now head pointer is pointing which node? That is node A. Okay, so you have to make a connection. New nodes next field should point what? New node, that is E. That's next field should point what? That is, it should point where the head pointer is pointing. So now a link is created from E to A. Make new node as head. So how can you do that? I told you to remember a point, right? Head's previous will point to null value. So new node's previous is equal to null. Now E's previous is null. So E's previous link is null. Okay. Then next line. Check if head pointer is pointing null or not. For sure it will hold some node's address, so that it cannot be null. Then make head pointers previous as new node, that is A's previous is E. Okay, so a link is established from A to E now. Sorry, the link is established from A to E now. Okay, then make head pointer to point new node's address, that is head pointer pointing E's address. Okay, that's all. So look at the diagram very closely and see the code side by side and you will understand it well. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.